Hey everyone, welcome to Everyday Homemade. Today I am cooking in a client's house and I'm going to be making a chickpea curry. I don't have a lot of meatless meals on the page, so I thought maybe I'd do a quick video here so you could see another meatless meal. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick taste and just see how it is. It's really good. You can taste the maple syrup really comes through with this, and the curry powder. It's a homemade blend that I make because I don't like the spice that comes with store-bought curry powders. It's right on. And my rice is almost ready, so I'm going to get it packaged up. I packaged up the curry. It's all ready to go right into the refrigerator. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video with a chickpea curry. I don't make many vegetarian meals, so I wanted to take advantage of the moment. So I hope you all have a fabulous day and you keep it homemade every day. Bye, everyone.